Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to open and close a leverage position on WOWswap decentralized exchange. To do so, you should just go to wowswap.io and connect your MetaMask wallet. Once you do so, you will see that the blockchain connected to WOWswap is the same you connected on MetaMask. So WOWswap right now supports several blockchains. On Ethereum, you can trade fractionalized NFTs with up to 5x leverage. So we support Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, Heco, Avalanche, IOTX. We also support Solana. To trade on Solana, you can go to solana.wowswap.io. For this example, I'm going to use leverage trading, let's say on Binance Smart Chain, just because I want to open a long position on BNB. So when I switch to Binance Smart Chain, I will be able to choose which token I want to open a long position on. In this case, I can use BUSD or BNB. I'll choose BUSD. And I want to open a long position on BNB. So interface looks similar to PancakeSwap, SushiSwap, or Uniswap. The only difference is the leverage slider, which you can slide to the right to increase the leverage. You can go open a long position or short position. Since for this example, I'm opening a long position on BNB. So with 100 BUSD, I can get 0.2 BNB. And if I want to get up to 3x leverage, I will get 0.6 BNB, 3 times more. And if I want to open up to 5x leverage, I will need to have 1,275 WOW tokens in wallet or 633 WOW or XWOW tokens for 4x leverage. So as you can see here, for this swap, for 3x swap, I'm borrowing 200 BUSD and hourly interest rate is going to be 0.1528% per hour. This is a variable number. It depends on how much demand for BUSD borrowing there is. The higher the demand, the higher the BUSD utilization ratio, the higher the interest rate, which is good for liquidity providers in BUSD pool. So, okay, I decided to open 3x position. I just once more confirm that everything is correct. And all I need to do is to confirm the transaction on MetaMask. You might be asked to approve the token before. I already did so. So I can add BNB to MetaMask. Make Please take into account that this is actually not the underlying BNB. You can see this small star here. It shows that this is a proxy BNB. This BNB is being issued by WOWswap protocol. So it does so because we cannot give 3 times more BNB. The user would just run away. So we lock the underlying BNB into smart contract and we issue proxy BNB token instead. So we can show how it looks like on the Binance PCC scan. We can see that I had 100 BUSD. I borrowed 200 BUSD from liquidity providers, almost 200. And those 300 BUSD in total, I've bought WBNB, wrap BNB, then wrap BNB sent to WOW smart contract to safeguard, and we issue proxy BNB token instead. So if you want to close your position right now, all you will need to do is just click one of the two arrows here, switch the position, you have BNB 0.6 proxy BNB tokens, and I would be able to sell here my proxy BNB tokens and close the position. If I want to check what's happening right now with my position, you can see that I borrowed 200 BUSD and my net value right now is 98 BUSD, which means I have a minus 0.15 BUSD in losses. It comes because we have to pay a provider's fee, liquidity provider's fee to PancakeSwap liquidity providers and BUSD BNB pool. So if BNB goes down to 351 BUSD, the health will go to zero and the position will be liquidated. So to close the position right now, I'll just choose BNB, BUSD, and the same way I open the position, I close the position by confirming on MetaMask. To short works very similar way. User just chooses which token he wants to use. So I have BUSD and I want to short this time perhaps BSD or perhaps Dodge. Well, 11 Finance, nothing against it. It's a great product just for this example. So if I have BUSD, I'll choose 100 BUSD and I can choose not even 1x leverage, but even 0.1x leverage is supported. So for this, I get to short 7 LA tokens. These LA tokens will be borrowed from liquidity providers who instead get interest payments every hour, every block. But hourly interest rate right now is very small because not many people are shorting LA token. So let's short LA token with maximum 3x leverage. Again, if I want to open a short position with 5x leverage, I will need to have some WOW or XWOW tokens in my wallet. So you can see I can get short up to 212 tokens. I will be less aggressive. I want to manage my risk and I will short with only 1x leverage. So 70 LE tokens will be borrowed and those tokens will be sold on PancakeSwap. And in the meantime, I will get WOW LA proxy tokens. You can see with a minus signed LA, I add those tokens to my MetaMask so I can see how much LA tokens I have shorted. And when the transaction confirms, I will be able to see my balance here. Transaction is confirmed. I have 71.5 LA token shorted. I can check my portfolio, how much I shorted right now. Right now I can see that I have shorted 71 LA tokens. And if LA token goes in value to 2.63 BUSD and my health will drop to zero, this position will be liquidated. In the meantime, my net value is currently 98.7 BUSD. Again, I'm -1 BUSD in losses just because I had to pay a liquidity provider fee. And if I want to close the position, just click on this arrow. I choose how much I want to close. This time I'm closing all. Confirm the swap. On MetaMask, I signed a gasless transaction, another innovation of WOWswap. Transaction is signed, and now I'm closing my short position on WOWswap. So one transaction is confirmed. That's it. Thank you much for watching the video. See you next time.